Hi guys, I'm just going to take you through the chronic pain template. Really easy to use. You've got instructions here, and you've also got a share with your doctor page here, and I'll take you through that. Adding in episodes really quite easy. You can see I've already added some in, but you're just going to click the episode that you've had, and that can be the end of it. It will add in that you had migraine today. You can put in all the details as well. Perhaps you want to write what day it was, keep track of the severity, and keep track of the length. You'll notice that I use green for things that aren't too bad and red for things that are more severe. Just helps when you're looking. Uh, then you've also got effect, what effect did it have on your day, and treatment. You can add in more options, of course, there, and weather if you like to track the weather. Then here you can choose the area, so it'll tell you if it's a migraine to choose this one, and so forth. If it was arthritis, you're going to choose something in here and show the area. Obviously, there's different areas for different pain episodes that you may want to keep track of. So then you've got a view here of what happened today. This gives you a view of what happened this week other than today, if you want to have a quick snapshot. And then you've got to look on the calendar of this month, and then you can just see the table view as well if you want to click off to the side and get a bit of a visual like that. So that is really easy to use. You do not have to put all the details in. It's a quick button to record your episode. If you want to look at just your arthritis episodes, you can just come into this page and see here this table view. Some people like to have separate pages, so that's what I've done here. And same with chest pain and migraines. Otherwise, you can just add your own toggles in down here, or anything like that. You can add in separate views. It's up to you. So follow your instructions, really easy to get started. Share it with your doctor. There's some instructions in here, and this is what it looks like. You're basically going to share this page with him with the share function, add your name and your date of birth, and he's going to be able to see this in a table. Just set it up how you want him to see it. And then you can hide the bits you don't want him to see. But I personally prefer to share the calendar view and just set that up so that they can sort of get an overview of what's happening. But yeah, that's just a feature that you can use if you want to. So I hope that helps and makes it much easier to add in your pain episodes. Cheers, guys. Bye.